Hello guys, today in this lecture we are going to expressing the sum or difference as a product. In our previous video lecture we learned to express a product as a sum or difference. So now it's reverse process, right? So before going for this formula we recall our all formulas. So first we learn sin a plus b. So sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, right? Second formula was a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, right? Then for cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b, and if plus then here minus, so minus sin a sin b, and cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b, and minus then plus, that you know, plus sin a sin b. So this is our first set of 4 formulas. Using this we derive product, right, as a sum of or difference of functions, right? Means we write 2 sin a cos b, that is sin first, sin plus sin, so sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, then 2 cos a sin b, second formula 2 cos a sin b, cos first, 2 cos a sin b, cos first, then sin minus sin, so answer was sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Both cos, that is 2 cos a cos b, so 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, and minus 2 times sin a sin b is equal to cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Or you can write like this also. If you don't want to write minus here, then keep this first plus and this is minus, multiplying both sides by minus. So answer will be 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So this is another set. Now using this set we are going to derive another 4 formulas, that is expressing sum, that is sin plus sin, in product, that is 2 sin a cos b, that is this 2 sin a cos b, like that. Okay, so for that suppose we assume let a plus b is equal to d, a plus b is equal to c and a minus b is equal to d. We assume that a plus b is equal to c and a minus b is equal to d. So adding these both, what we get? Add this, we get b cancel, so twice a is equal to c plus d, that is a is equal to c plus d by 2. We get a is equal to c plus d by 2, right? Now I am writing once again a plus b is equal to c and a minus b is equal to d, right? Now subtracting, right? If we subtract, this become minus, this become plus, and this become minus. So now a will be cut, so b plus b is twice b, so twice b is equal to c minus d, so we get b is equal to c minus d by 2. So substituting this all substitution, that is A is equal to C plus D by 2, B is equal to C minus D by 2, and A plus B is equal to C, and A minus B is equal to D. Here what we get? First formula, sin A plus B is C, so first formula is sin C plus sin D is equal to, sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin. So 2 sin. Now what is A? A is C plus D by 2. So A is C plus D by 2 into cos B, means cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. Right? So means this is the reverse formula. You have to remember from reverse side. Right? That is sin C plus sin D is 2 sin cos, right? Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin cos. Now next formula will be sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos A. A means C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Third formula, cos C plus cos D. So cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. And last one, cos C minus cos D. So cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So another 4 formula in your list of formulas. Okay, so add these 4 formula. So it's very easy. Sin plus sin, that is 2 sin cos. Sin minus sin, that is 2 cos sin. So reverse of this 2 sin A cos B is sin plus sin. That's why I'm saying that. आपको मैंने बोला था कि आप ऐसे याद रखो, 2 sin A cos B, that is sin plus sin. So now sin plus sin is 2 sin plus sin is 2 sin A cos B. So 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Now A is C plus D by 2 in all, and B is C minus D by 2. You have to remember this. So sin plus sin, 2 sin cos, and angle is A plus D by 2 first, then A minus D by 2, that you know, right? So how to remember? Sin plus sin, 2 sin cos, sin minus sin, 2 cos sin, cos plus cos, 2 cos cos, and cos minus cos, 2 minus 2 sin sin. So ज्यादा बच्चे लोग क्या करते हैं, सब यही सिखाते हैं. देखो ऐसा सिखाते हैं कि s plus s is equal to 2sc, s minus s is equal to 2cs, then c plus c is equal to 2cc, and c minus c is equal to minus 2ss. और आपको पता है फर्स्ट एंगल a plus b by 2, सेकंड a minus b by 2. सो ये याद रखेंगे तो ये भी याद रह जाएगी. s plus s, sin plus sin, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, 2 sin a cos b, like this. and s plus s, right? तो मैंने आपको बोला था वैसे याद रखो. sin plus sin, 2 sin cos, sin minus sin, 2 cos sin, cos plus cos, 2 cos cos, and cos minus cos, minus 2 sin sin. तो आपको ये याद रह जाएगी फॉर्मूला सब. ओके, तो इसकी एप्लीकेशन के लिए, फॉर्मूला लर्न करने के लिए एकदम इजी, आपको पता है कैसे एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करेंगे, और सब में हम फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे. तो वो देखते हैं. जो हमने फॉर्मूला देखी वो अप्लाई करके एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करना है. स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल्स है, राइट? बट दिस ऑल एग्जाम्पल्स आर फॉर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ योर फॉर्मूला, राइट? सो व्हाट वी लर्न 4 formulas. So these they are sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This is a formula, right? Then sin C minus sin D is 2 cos, I am not writing angle now, into sin because they are common. Then cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and then sin cos C minus cos D, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin, right? You have to remember like this. These all angles are common, so I am not writing C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2, C minus D by 2, C minus D by 2, that you know. So these are the formula we learn just, right? So now we have to express this as a product form, right? So in product, so first will be sin 7 theta plus sin 3 theta. So which formula is applicable here? A very first formula, sin C plus sin D. I am again writing this formula here for your practice, right? So formula is sin C plus sin D is sin C plus sin D. आप जो लिखेंगे तो आपको प्रैक्टिस होगा और वो मेमोराइज हो जाएगा, right? So sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So answer will be 2 sin C plus D by 2, that is 7 theta plus 3 theta divided by 2 into cos 7 theta minus 3 theta divided by 2. So this will be 2 sin 7 plus 3, 10 divided by 2, that is 5 theta into cos 7 minus 3, 4 divided by 2, that is 2 theta. So your answer will be this. Okay. Now second one. Second one is given sin 3 theta minus sin 5 theta. As you know, you have to keep big angle first. So this is big angle. So taking minus common. So minus common means minus. This become plus and this become minus. So sin 5 theta minus sin 3 theta. So this is sin C minus sin D. That is second formula. So second formula is sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. This is your second formula. So applying this formula here, we get minus, this is minus, right? Now 2 cos, so this is 2 cos 5 plus 3 divided by 2, so 5 theta plus 3 theta divided by 2 into sin 5 theta minus 3 theta, so 5 theta minus 3 theta divided by 2. So final answer will be minus 2 times cos 5 plus 3, 8 divided by 2 is 4 theta into sin 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 2 is sin theta. So this is your answer. Third one is cos 11 theta plus cos 9 theta. So third is cos 9 theta plus cos 11 theta. Now we need bigger angle first, and this is here, but in plus no problem, you can write this first or this first. If minus is there, then it makes a problem. So this is equal to cos 11 theta plus cos 9 theta. So third formula is applicable, cos C plus cos T. So third formula, cos C plus cos T is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This is the formula, right? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So your answer will be 2 cos. Now I am not writing this, as you know, you can write directly. So 11 plus 9, 20 divided by 2. that is tan theta into cos. 11 minus 9 is 2, divided by 2 is theta. So this is your answer. And fourth one is I'm writing here in Roman and here I'm writing in English word. Okay, so this is your fourth, this is your third. Fourth one is cos 5 theta minus cos 11 theta. So cos 5 theta minus cos 11 theta, right? And this one is second one. It's not good. Okay, now again 11 is the big angle, so taking 11 first means take minus common. So taking minus common, this is cos 11 theta minus cos 5 theta. So fourth and last formula is applicable. So cos c minus cos t. So cos c minus cos t. Answer will be minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So this formula is applicable, right? So this is minus this is minus 2 sin 11 plus 5 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 2 sin 8 theta into sin 11 minus 5 6 divided by 2 is 3 theta. So final answer will be 2 times sin 8 theta into sin 3 theta. So this is your answer, right? तो ये आपका हो गया, सब सॉल्व हो गया एग्जांपल. नाउ सी हियर, if we apply 2 sin a cos b formula, what is your answer? 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So what is your answer? 2 sin a cos b. We are going reverse now, expressing this product into sum and difference. So your answer will be sin a plus b, that is 5 plus 2 7 theta, plus sin a minus b 5 minus 2 is 3 theta. So you will be get your question here, right? So this is the expression of sum and product, sum and difference in product. So in product answer is this, and if you express product in sum and difference, your answer will be this, right? So क्या याद रखना है, अब कौन फॉर्मूला में कंफ्यूजन होगा. जब प्रोडक्ट में से डिफरेंस और सम में जाना है तो प्रोडक्ट में 2 चाहिए. जहां भी प्रोडक्ट आया आंसर में 2 चाहिए. सी हियर ये प्रोडक्ट आया, आंसर में 2, राइट? सो विद प्रोडक्ट यू हैव आंसर 2, राइट? नाउ इन प्रोडक्ट यू हैव टू सेम फॉर्मूला, टू सेम फंक्शन, सॉरी टू सेम फंक्शन. आपके पास प्रोडक्ट है तब 2 सेम फंक्शन होगा, राइट? आइदर वन साइन वन कॉस होगा, आइदर बोथ साइन होगा, आइदर बोथ कॉस होगा, राइट? बट इन sum and difference formula, in this formula you must have both same, right? sum और difference में से आपको प्रोडक्ट में जाना है तब आपके पास दोनों सेम होना चाहिए. साइन प्लस साइन नहीं चाहिए, साइन माइनस साइन चाहिए, कॉस प्लस कॉस चाहिए, कॉस माइनस कॉस चाहिए. यदि प्रोडक्ट में से सम में आना है तो प्रोडक्ट में दोनों चलता है, साइन कॉस भी चलेगा, कॉस साइन भी चलेगा, कॉस कॉस और साइन साइन. तो ये आपको याद रखना है, राइट? क्योंकि आप साइन सी प्लस कॉस टी की भी फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे, साइन सी प्लस कॉस टी, मगर कोई फॉर्मूला ही नहीं है, बहुत सेम चाहिए. तो आपको ये याद रखना है, ये एडिशन में ओनली बोथ सेम फंक्शन चाहिए, आइदर प्लस और माइनस. व्हाइल इन प्रोडक्ट यू कैन टेक साइन कॉस, कॉस साइन, both sin both cos also, right? And in product you must have there 2. Okay, got it? तो आपको ये याद रखना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है cos theta minus 1 sin theta plus 1 cos theta plus sin theta and sin theta minus cos theta, and we have to express in a product form. Now for sum, if you want to express in product, then you require both functions same, right? But here this is not a function given, here not function given, here one sin one cos, no formula is applicable, here also no formula applicable. So क्या करना है, देखते हैं अभी क्या करेंगे. So first one cos theta minus 1, as I told you previously, right? मैंने बोला था आगे क्या करना है, both function सेम होना चाहिए. तो cos किसकी वैल्यू cos 1 होती है, cos 0, so write cos 0 here. So this is cos theta minus cos 0 because cos 0 is 1, right? So this is cos 0. Now which formula is applicable? Cos c minus cos d. So cos c minus cos d formula is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This is the formula, right? So applying this formula, what we get? Answer minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, theta plus 0 by 2, that is theta plus 0 by 2 into sin c minus d, that is theta minus 0, this is 0 by 2. So answer will be minus 2 sin theta by 2 into sin theta by 2, right? That is minus 2 times sin square theta by 2. This is your answer, minus 2 times sin square theta by 2. This is also one of the most important formula that you have to remember. 2 sin square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta, but वो हम बाद में देखेंगे, right? अभी ये देखते हैं. Now second one. Second one is sin theta plus 1. So sin theta plus 1. Now we need same function. This is sin. So sin 1 for pi by 2. 1 is sin pi by 2. So writing sin pi by 2 here. This is sin theta plus sin pi by 2. Now sin theta plus sin pi by 2 means sin c plus sin d formula. And formula is sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2, right, into cos c minus d by 2. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin cos. So answer will be 2 sin theta plus pi by 2 divided by 2. So theta plus pi by 2 divided by 2 into cos theta minus pi by 2 divided by 2. So final answer will be is equal to 2 times sin, if we bifurcate this, then theta by 2 plus pi by 4. So theta by 2 plus pi by 4 into cos theta by 2 minus pi by 4. So this is your answer, right? Similarly third one. So third one is cos theta plus sin theta. So cos theta plus sin theta. Now in this type of question, it's everything depends upon you. Which formula you want to apply, sin c plus sin d or cos c plus cos d, right? So if you want to cos plus cos formula, then change this into cos. That is cos theta plus, you know, sin cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta, that you know. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. So instead of this, I am writing cos pi by 2 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta. So which formula applicable now? Cos c plus cos d, because this is your d now and this is c. So applying cos c plus cos d formula. So formula will be cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, right? So apply this formula, what we get? This is 2 cos c plus d, that is theta plus pi by 2 minus theta divided by 2 into cos, sorry, this is okay, this is cos theta, right? Now minus, so this minus and this become plus. So theta minus pi by 2 plus theta divided by 2. So this theta will be cut. So your answer will be 2 times cos pi by 2 divided by 2, that is pi by 4. So this is pi by 4 into cos. This is 2 theta minus pi by 2 divided by 2. So this is cos pi by 4, 1 upon root 2. So answer is 2 upon root 2 into cos. Into cos. If you bifurcate this, then this become theta 2 to cancel. So this is cos theta minus pi by 4. So 2 by root 2 is root 2. So this is root 2 cos theta minus pi by 4. So this is your final answer. If you want to change this into sine, then you can write instead of this cos, you can write here sine pi by 2 minus theta, and then apply plus sine theta. So then apply sine C plus sine D formula. This formula you can apply, right? And I hope so you solve this independently yourself, right? And as per my promise, do it yourself is here. Wait for that. So these all are your do it yourself examples, that is homework, right? So आपको घर पे प्रैक्टिस करना है, ओके? सो आपको सब फॉर्मूला याद रहे, और सब में आपको फॉर्मूला कंपलसरी लिखना है. मैं नोटबुक देखूंगा आप सबकी, ओके? हाँ, प्रॉमिस?